Hey everyone, welcome back to Gear and Gains, the place where horsepower meets money power. So here's the big question today. If you're earning 50,000 rupees a month, can you actually afford to buy a car in 2025? Especially if you live in a city like Mumbai, where petrol is 104 rupees per liter and costs keep rising. Let's break it down. Real prices, full costs, and smarter choices. Let's say you just landed a job in Mumbai, 50K salary. Living with your family, maybe paying a little for groceries. You're tired of cabs and crowded trains. That dream of owning a car, it starts feeling real. So you go online, search for best budget cars under 7 lakhs and the names that pop up. Alto K10, Tata Punch, and Maruti Swift. Let's break them down quickly. Maruti Alto K10, ex-showroom, 4.23 lakh. On-road in Mumbai, around 4.98 lakh. Tata Punch, 6.8 lakh, ex-showroom. On-road, 7.6 lakh. Maruti Swift, 7.2 lakh, ex-showroom. On-road, 8.1 lakh. Now let's say you make a 1 lakh down payment and finance the rest with a 5-year loan at 9.5% interest. Here's the EMI breakdown. Alto K10, 8,300 rupees per month. Tata Punch, 13,700 rupees month. Swift, 14,700 rupees per month. Let's use the Alto K10 as our base example since it's the most realistic option for a 50K salary. Here's where people go wrong. They only look at EMI. But car ownership has layers. Let's say you drive 1,000 km per month. Petrol in Mumbai is 104.21 per liter. The Alto gives about 24 km per liter. So you'd use around 42 liters a month. Fuel cost, 4,400 rupees. Add to that, insurance, 10,000 rupees month average. Maintenance, 800 rupees month. Servicing, cleaning, minor wear and tear. Parking and tolls, 500 rupees month. So total monthly cost, 15,000 rupees. That's 30% of your 50K salary, and that doesn't include emergencies, fines, or service issues. So now think about your other expenses. Rent, 15K if you're renting, food, phone, subscriptions, outings, savings. Owning a car might stretch you thin, especially if you're not disciplined with budgeting. And this isn't just about math, it's about peace of mind. Let's flip the scenario. What if, instead of paying 10,000 rupees a month as EMI, you invested in a SIP with 12% annual returns? Over 10 years, you'll have 24 lakh. That's the cost of your car, plus potential wealth you missed out on. That's future goals, home, marriage, business, being sacrificed for something that depreciates every year. Now, don't get me wrong. If your job demands daily travel or you live far from public transport, owning a car can be totally worth it. It saves time, offers flexibility, and can even give you income through ride-sharing. In that case, go for the Alto, or even better, consider a second-hand car under 3.5 lakh. You'll still have a vehicle, but your EMI and maintenance costs drop big time. So, can you afford a car on 50,000 rupees salary? Technically, yes. But should you? Only if your car expenses stay under 25–30% of your monthly income.